Hello everybody, welcome back to Charisma. Today I'll show you how I turned this beautiful bangle into a mini dream catcher. First thing first, giving volume to the ring which is bangle here. Take some wool and wrap it around the bangle. Now take the same wool and pass a few beads in it. Now, for the length of the wool for weaving, measure it around some 6 to 7 times around the ring. Tie one end of the wool to the ring and dab some clear nail paint. Pass the wool through a blunt needle and let's start weaving. So here I'm deciding the length of the loop. Your wool should be laying on top of the ring and then you will pass your needle from bottom, making a loop and a knot on the ring. At this point, drop a bead inside the loop by sliding down one. Same way, make another loop and drop one bead. Keep repeating throughout the ring and make loops of approx same length. So one round is complete here. For the second round, simply slide the bead and make knot using the loop. In this round, we are not dropping any bead. If you like, remove the excess bead you have in the wool so it will be easier to weave. Second round is complete. At this point, drop one bead before weaving and continue weaving as we were doing. Continue the same way for full circle. Observe here, we are dropping the bead so that it is very next to the earlier one to make a spiral. And continue weaving without dropping any beads. I'm removing the extra beads here as it was getting difficult to pass. them through the small holes. Now continue making the knots using the earlier loops, and see, now it is so much easier to make the loop without the beads here. Now is the time to add one more bead. Your own mini dream catcher made with bangle is ready.